going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am, as you can see, on another golf course and wanted to see if we can get bit. I don't think I've been to this pond on the channel. I know that I've been on some ponds further down, but like I said, I'm looking for anything that bites. Got my open face reel, I've got some Senkos, and I got some craws, so looking to see what we can get into. But the water is looking great, and only thing is I did not bring my boots, so I'm gonna try to stay on the green as much as I can. But man, the water looks terrific. I'm gonna try first around these this tall grass, see if I can make something happen. But stick with me. That didn't take long. All right, buddy. Not bad. Little guy. This is another pond that I don't think I really caught anything of size. I think maybe the biggest I've caught out of here was probably maybe 3 or 4. I mean, if that. I'm lying, maybe 2.5. But yeah, there's not a whole lot of. Man, the water's up. I guess because of the rain. This all used to be dry. I guess because maybe the pond doesn't get very deep. It stays shallow pretty consistently all the way across. Got the guard dogs. Yeah, scare all the fish, why don't you? I don't know if you can see that. There's these big giant carp, these grass carp, just sitting here. Man, they're huge. See, they're just cruising the bank. I bet you I could hit him with my pole. There he goes. I think I got one. There it is. All right, buddy. Back here in this channel, I knew there had to be at least one. Not even 2 pounds, but still, you know, still fun to catch. All right, let's throw it back. That was a big flop. Got a bite? I think so. Unless it's a turtle or a snake. No, it's a bass. Well, hello, my friend. How are you today? Yep. Yeah, I caught another one. Let's see. I don't know how big he is. A little bit better. Not really. All right. Mr. Wiggles over here. I think it's a dance competition. Well, a little bit better, a little bit more chunky, but still not what we're looking for. Can't see anything in his mouth, see what he's been munching on, but alright. There you go. Yeah, I switched over to the Senko just because I can cast it farther. I think I caught another one. Where's he at? Oh, there we go. They're all about the same size. Yep. But I think I caught another one. Can't really tell. Which way is he going? Not having it in his mouth all the way. It's probably just a little one. There we go. Another little fatty. All right, buddy. All right, guys, that's a little chunk, but unfortunately, just not that big. Well, he's bleeding a little bit, but he'll be all right. There he goes. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it. I broke off over here in these reeds, and like an idiot, I did not bring any hooks. It's already getting dark. I only had about an hour, maybe an hour and 30 minutes to fish, and this place usually produces a lot. You know, I usually catch, I do pretty good here, but you know, I don't know if it's maybe the weather or maybe the recent rain just had them all sluggish. You know, the bites that I did get, they were pretty aggressive, but you know, they were all really small fish. You know, I don't think I caught anything over 1.5 pounds, maybe even 2 pounds, but that was it. You know, a lot of these fish here, you know, I can't imagine that this place does get a whole lot of pressure. It is easy to see from the freeway, but you know, again, you know, I don't know many people fish this golf course, but we're gonna be fishing some more golf courses here in the near future, so stay tuned, and I hope to see you guys soon, and I will catch you on the next one.